fix a TikTok video under review. Quick and easy solution. Hey everyone, Sophia here to help you out today. If your TikTok video is stuck under review, don't worry, I've got the solution for you. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Why is your TikTok video under review? When TikTok flags a video as under review, it usually means possible copyright issues, e.g. using copyrighted music or clips. Potential community guideline violations, like inappropriate content. TikTok's automated system is double-checking your content. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't provide an option to speed up the review process. But here's what you can do to fix it. How to fix it. Step 1, open TikTok on your device. Step 2, go to the video that's under review. Step 3, tap on the 3 dots in the bottom right corner. Step 4, scroll to the left and tap delete. Step 5, once deleted, you can re-upload the video after making sure it follows TikTok's guidelines. Pro tip, before re-uploading, check your captions, sounds, and video content to avoid any potential flags. And that's it. Your issue should now be resolved. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes. Got any questions or video topic suggestions? Drop them in the comments. This is Sophia, signing off.